we need to determine the value of the given expression. Now let us begin with the exponent part. So here we have log of 1 with a base of 7. This is added to 2 times log of 2 with a base of 7 squared plus 3 times log of 3 with a base of 7 cubed, and this goes all the way up to the nth term, which is given by n times log of n with a base of 7 raised to the power of n. Right. So we'll start with the second term, and once we work out the second term, the rest will follow. So here we have 2 times log of 2 with a base of 7 squared. Now we will use a property of logarithm. That means if we have log of a with a base of b, this will be equals to log of a divided by log of b. Each of them has a base of c. So if we apply this property, then we will get, so we have to multiply to log of 2 divided by log of 7 squared. So let's say we have a base of c, and here c value must be greater than 0. Right. Now in the denominator we have log of 7 squared. Here we can apply the property log of a raised to the power of b, so that will be equals to b times log of a. Fine. Now that means we have 2 times log of 2 with a base of c divided by 2 times log of 7 with a base of c in the denominator. That means this 2 and this 2 cancels out. This was going to give us log of 2 divided by log of 7, or simply log 2 with a base of 7. So this now simplifies to 2 times log of 2 with a base of 7 squared simplifies to log to base 7. We can also show that when we have 3 times log of 3 with a base 7 cubed, so this will become 3 multiplied to log of 3 with a base of c divided by log of 7 cubed with a base of c. The log of 7 cubed will become 3 times log of 3 divided by 3 times log of 7. The 3 and 3 goes away, so we have log 3 base 7. And if we follow this, all the terms, we will have n times log of n with a base of 7 raised to the power of n, and this will be equivalent to log of n with a base of 7. That means we can rewrite each of the terms in our exponent. So let's do that as well. So I have log of 1 with a base of 7 plus 2 times log of 2 with a base of 7 squared plus 3 times log of 3 with a base of 7 cubed goes all the way up to n times log of n with a base of 7 raised to the power of n. So this reduces to log of 1 with a base of 7. So 2 log 2 with a base of 7 squared will become log of 2 base 7 plus log of 3 base 7, and the last term will be log of n with a base of 7. Right. Now what we can do, we can add all the logarithms because they have a coefficient of 1 and all of them has a same base, which is 7. Here we can apply the property of logarithm. That means if we have log of a plus log of b, so that's equals to log of a times b. So let's use this. We'll have log of with the base of 7, then we have 1 multiplied to 2 multiplied to 3, and this multiplication goes all the way up to n. Now we know that 1 multiplied to 2 multiplied to 3, this is nothing but our factorial n. Yeah, n factorial is defined as the product of 1, 2, 3 going all the way up to n. So this particular expression reduces to log of n factorial with a base of 7. So finally we have 7 raised to the power of log of 1 with a base of 7 plus 2 times log of 2 with a base of 7 squared going all the way up to n times log of n with a base of 7 raised to the power of n. So this will be equals to 7 raised to the power of log of n factorial with a base of 7. Now we will apply one of more property of logarithm. That means if we have a raised to the power of log of b with a base of a, so here the base of the exponent and the base of the logarithm both are same, so this expression reduces to b. In that case we have base of the exponent is 7 and the base of the logarithm is 7. They are equal, so that means our expression reduces to n factorial. So this is going to be the value of the given expression.